So again, they're testing the tornado sirens here in my neighborhood, and it's been driving the dog kind of crazy. I think it's getting ready to go off again. Good thing we have these around because we can't really see tornadoes around in this area because it's kind of crowded with trees. So there it goes again. What is that, girl? Golly, you can hear it inside the house. Jeez, that's loud. Golly. Okay, I think that's the end of it. Whew, golly, that thing is loud. Glad we have it, though. Is it all done, big girl? I guess so. Well, that was the tornado siren test. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if they ever go off again, I'll be sure to catch you next time. Thanks for watching.